Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, here we go.
stand in your way.
These are lentils, and I got to tell you, they're one of the healthiest foods on the planet, so I got a video on why you should eat them. This is a nice, big, beautiful cage-free egg. This is some sourdough bread. This is some cheddar cheese. And this is some Foster. Hey, how you doing? Mike Foster here. Today it's another killer fried egg sandwich. I know you love my fried egg sandwiches. I try to be creative and make as many as possible. I've made dozens and dozens and dozens. I'm starting to run out of ideas. But now I decided I have some lentils here that I love. Why not put it together as a killer fried egg lentil sandwich? It's gonna be killer diller. I'll meet you at the stove, put this baby together. All right, we got a medium pan, a little butter. There you go. Swirl it around. You know, when you put the butter on like this, you could also contest the pan. Now we're gonna take some of those lentils. These are leftover. I made these. I'm gonna have a recipe coming up on how to make lentils, killer lentils. But like I said, I already have one on why you should eat them. And I'm telling you, one of the healthiest foods on the planet, and they're delicious. One of my favorites. So just warm this up. That shouldn't take long. Then we'll add that egg. Let's add the egg. Here you go. That is a big egg, I told you. I thought that was a big egg. Let's watch this for a couple minutes. Flip these around. To this, some black pepper. A little on the lentils. That's gorgeous. This egg needs another minute before the flipperoo. Let's get that toast down. All right, these lentils are just ready. I'm just keeping them warm. This egg is ready for a beautiful flip. That's perfect. Let's cover it with cheese, just like thus, and shut it off. When that cheese melts, we'll be ready to put this baby together. I'll meet you at the counter. All right, fresh out of the toaster, a little butter. There you go. On both sides. There's the lentils, there's the egg. Let's get the lentils down. Cooked perfectly, I may add. Just reheated. Get those babies down. Here's that egg. Put that baby right on top. All right, ready for the flipperoo? Spin it around. Presseroo. Here's the sliceroo. Here's the reveal. Oh, that looks good. Close-up coming up. That's the killer fried egg and lentil sandwich with little cheese on top. I cannot wait for a bite of this. I'm pretty hungry, and that looks sweet baboo. There she be. Nothing left to it but to do it. Oh, and this is a big, cheesy and savory from the egg, the cheese. The lentils are a perfect foil. Oh, maybe need something to contrast it. It's a little too savory. Might need like a little, maybe a tomato or something just to calm it down, but other than that, it's killer diller. Oh. Check out Live Life 365 if you want to see more videos like this. Tell your friends about it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I'm just saying. Gorgeous. There you go. Dropped a little lentil. Unctuous. I gotta tell you, it's really good. I think it's not killing. Do I have a lentil in my? Yeah, right there. I need to jog around the building. Bravo. I was kidding. I'm gonna finish this sandwich now. Oh.